So let's look at how to make a course available to students in Blackboard. All right, so I'm on the BCTC website. Let's first go to Blackboard, and let me move this over so you can see it. So on the right side of the screen, there is this little set of three menu buttons. And again, I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to go to Faculty and Staff. And then on Faculty and Staff, Help and Support. And then there are several options here, but we want My Path. And on My Path, we are going to first sign in using our KCTCS email and password. So I will sign in. And this will take us to any of the different functions we need. PeopleSoft, Blackboard, email, whatever it might be. Right now, we're going to go to Blackboard. And of course, because I signed in on My Path, I don't have to sign in again on Blackboard. All right, now it shows all the courses that I currently have, as well as those that I have for the fall. The easy way to make a course available is right here on the left where it says quickly. We can go to course availability and just click on that. And notice that my fall courses are not available right now. However, my summer ones that I'm teaching right now are. I can very easily just click on this button and it turns the MA 111 class to on. It's now available. And well, of course, I don't really want it to be available yet, so I can click it back off again. It's that simple to make a course available. So we can do these all in one stroke. Just hit on, and all of those will be available. Of course, I don't want that to be the case right now, so I'll turn them back off. And it's that simple.